Hey language learners, welcome to Learn with Namrata, where I make grammar fun and easy. Today we are diving into a foundational topic, noun, and the all important rules for singular and plural nouns. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First off, what is a noun? If you can name all the images in this box, you know what nouns are. Simply put, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Easy, right? Now let's spice things up. We'll explore how these nouns change when they go from singular to plural. Rule 1. For most nouns, just add s. For example, one camera, two cameras, one cup, three cups. Simple. Rule 2. If a noun ends with s, sh, ch, x, or z, add es. For example, bus ends in s, right? It becomes buses. And similarly, box becomes boxes. Just add es. Rule 3. If a noun ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add es. For example, puppy has py in the end, it becomes puppies. Bunny ending with ny. N is a consonant, so it becomes bunnies. But if it's a vowel plus y, just add s like toy ends in a vowel y, becomes toys. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, I hope you remember. Rule 4. Add es to the singular noun if it ends in o to make it plural. For example, volcano ends in o becomes volcanoes and tomato becomes tomatoes. Rule 5. Some nouns undergo no modification when they are plural. For example, sheep, deer, aircraft, etc. Rule 6. Some nouns are irregular. They change form entirely in the plural, like mouse to mice and child to children. There is no shortcut here, you just have to memorize them. Now it's your turn. Here are a few nouns. Write their plural forms in the comments below. Ready? And that's a wrap on nouns and plural rules. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more grammar tips. Share this video with your friends who might need some grammar magic. Until next time, happy learning.